Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In this video I show you how to control your Android phone from PC. You can control with USB and also you can control with Wi-Fi. Open one browser, type here scrcpy, then hit enter. Open this first link, it is GitHub. Scroll down, here we have release, it is 32. Click here. I want to download 64-bit. If your system is 32, you can download 32 also. Also, we need SDK platforms tools. It is Android platform tools. Open this link. Scroll down. Look here. Download SDK platform tools for Windows. Download this one. Open your download folders. Look here, we have these two files. This are zip. Unzip one by one. Right click, then go to WinRAR, extract here, and also we need to extract the second one. Open this file, then select all of them. Right click, copy, then paste here. Click on replace. After that, go on your Android phone. On Android phone, open settings. Scroll down. Click on about phone. Here is software information. Click here. Find build number. Press 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Enter your password. Click on next. Again, open your setting. Scroll down. Look here. Now this developer option is on for us. Click here. Scroll down. If you want to connect with USB on this USB debugging, click on OK. Come back. Go to connections. Click on Wi-Fi. Click on your Wi-Fi name. Look here, it is your IP address. You need this IP address also. Now connect your Android with USB. Right click here, open terminal or open PowerShell. Type here /adb device. Then hit enter. On your Android phone, one message will appear. Allow this message. Click on OK. Here we have list of device. Then close this PowerShell. Find this scrcpy.exe. Double click here. Look, we successfully connect to Android, guys. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. We can work with mouse. If I work on Android also, we can see on the laptop. If I work with mouse, it's also possible. I want to take, for example, a photo. Look. I want to take a photo. Okay, look here. It's our photo. Now let us connect with wireless. Again, right click here, open terminal, copy this comment, then paste here, hit enter. After that, go to your Android phone, look your Android IP address. My Android IP address is 10.10.10.225. It is port. Copy this comment, paste here, hit enter. After that, close. Now you can close your USB. Click here. Look, now we connect with wireless. Again, I can take photo. Look, my USB is here. It's my camera. I want to take photo. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. In the end, don't forget to like this video. Have a good day. See you soon.